Imagine your customer urgently needs medicine. Go! Good job, but what if? If any accident happens and your parcel is delivered to a customer in a mess, it will put you in an awkward position. Medicine smashed. Oh, parcel dropped into water. My name is Ibrahim. I am drone LiDAR engineer. In drone delivery, scattering or spillage due to abrupt change in altitude, dropping at inappropriate position, and crashing are disastrous accidents. Steady drone takeoff landing requires linear acceleration, deceleration. In landing or hurling, altitude data is very significant during propeller stopping or hovering, as it determines whether the drone will suddenly crash. Benewake specially designs a LiDAR to address altitude measurement problem for drone users. With functional logic, our LiDAR updates AGL data in real time and assists drone flight control system in manipulating motion, altitude, and speed. Weight always remains a focus during drone manufacturing. A battery weight is a hot potato, and drone manufacturers have no alternative but to reduce weight in other parts to increase flight time. As a basic product, Benewake 5-gram LiDAR thus becomes popular. We need to take more into account in essential features. This product has barely no blind zone and is 100% compatible to industrial drones. It supports various types of interfaces and can completely meet the needs of any application scenario. It has a wide measurable range that covers the entire operating altitude under 350 meters. The plug-and-play design helps to lower the cost of adaptation, which is essential for LiDAR design. Benewake LiDAR can ensure accurate distance readings in any environment, irrespective of the material or reflectivity of the ground. It can work under complex environments day or night, and in consequence results in higher drone safety and lower accident rate. Benewake LiDAR complies with DELD and is DL 160G certified, which is a current development trend of drone application technologies. It is lightweight but with better technical performance. Benewake LiDAR helps ensure a safer, more reliable, and steadier drone delivery. This is our core aim.